Hey everybody, it's time for our What Is It bag for the week. Are you ready? Let's sing. Here we go. What is it? What is it? What is it? Do you know? It's a... Ooh, these are beautiful. Does anybody know what kind of flowers these are called? They're called daffodils. Can you say daffodils? They're usually one of the first things to bloom in the spring. Daffodils. Ooh, I have something else in here. Ooh, this is a picture of some what? Carrots. Why do you think I have a picture of daffodils and carrots? What do you think might be, what do you think they have in common? Where do they both grow? Outside in a garden. You might have a vegetable garden. You might have a flower garden. What do they start out as? Do they start out as carrots or daffodils? Do you know what you have to plant in the ground to get them to grow? A seed. So we both find these in gardens. Let's see. Ooh, I have some books in here I think we should read. Oh, they're perfect kind of books for what we're talking about. This first one is called All Kinds of Gardens. It's a pretty short book, but let's read. All kinds of gardens. Gardens come in all shapes and sizes. Let's look at different gardens to see what's growing. Flowers and vegetables. Beds of colorful blossoms bloom in a flower garden. That's where you'd find the daffodils, was in a flower garden. Beets and other vegetables like carrots grow in a vegetable garden. Wildlife gardens. Wildlife gardens have flowers, bushes, and wild grasses. These native plants are easy to grow. Wild animals use wildlife gardens. They eat, drink, and rest in the shade. There's the thing about other gardens. Container gardens aren't grown in the ground. These gardens grow in pots. I wonder if any of you might have any gardens growing in pots. Maybe they're inside, maybe they're on your porch, maybe they're out by your sidewalk. Plants in rock gardens just need a little soil to grow. There's even such a thing called rock gardens, which have a lot of rocks in. Ooh, look at water lilies float in water gardens. Koi fish swim around the stems. I wonder what kind of garden will you grow? You know what, we have another book too, it's called Growing a Garden, and then I'll get you something to think about and draw a picture about. Growing a garden. Getting started. It's spring. That's what we're in right now. And the soil's another name for what? Dirt. Nice. And the soil is warm. Let's find a sunny spot to start the garden. Preparing and planting. Loosen the soil with a hoe. Loose soil holds more water for your plants. Add nutrients to the soil with compost. Nutrients help the plants grow. You even out the soil with a rake. The seed packets say how and where to plant your seeds. You plant your vegetables in a row. Look, we're going to plant some carrots. Watering and weeding. When the soil feels dry, it's time to water the garden. Water in early morning, then more water soaks into the soil. Gently pull weeds and their roots out of the ground. Weed the garden every week. I'm not very good at weeding my garden. Picking time. Gather your vegetables and fruits from the ground. You pick them when they are ripe. And then it says next year, it says clean up your garden before winter. In the spring, it will be time to plant again. All right, so we read 2 stories about gardens, and I showed you pictures of some things you can grow in gardens. So now here's what I want you to do. I want you to get out a piece of paper, and I want you to draw a picture of a garden. It could be a vegetable garden. It could be a flower garden. It could be a container garden. Remember, some gardens are grown in pots. So even if you don't have a place to grow a garden outside, you can grow a garden in a pot. So something to think about. But draw a picture of a garden, and then draw a picture of what you would grow in your garden. Maybe you want to grow vegetables. Maybe you want to grow flowers. Think about what you want to grow, and have someone in your family write down the words for you about what you drew a picture of. So happy drawing. Bye.